Alright. Hey guys, this is my video bike check on the iPhone 4. Alright, it's an Amber Savior. Got off vainbmx.com and whatnot. You guys can probably figure that out yourselves, but starting at the top, I got Chase Hawk grips, cut the flanges off. I got the Animal aluminum bar ends, I think. I don't remember. I got the Amber Veil bars, but they're kind of shitty because I bent them the other day. Got the Shadow Attack stem in green. Doesn't really match anything, but who cares? Stock Amber headset. Amber Lexicon forks. The Alienation 440 rim laced to an Amber hub. And the Fly Rubin repair tire, 2 through 5. I got the Colony seat with the Primo pivotal post. Ezra Geist cranks, twisted PC pedals, and some Amber sprocket. I think it's an Amber Sage or something like that, with the Amber half link. My back wheels, the Alienation 440 laced to an Ezra hub. It's female, with the Rubin repair tire and 235 also. I'll probably give you guys a hub sound if you want. It's decent, but when it came in the mail, it was freaking not even greased, so I had to grease it up a little bit. But that's about it. Hope you guys like it. Alright, peace.